welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Lord, today I am doing a swimsuit try on haul. I'm not gonna say who, but y'all can see it's getting very much cute, okay, giving very much body, all of that. So this is a plus size try on haul. If you want to know where I got this cute little swimsuit from, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments. I want y'all to start getting active with me. And I'm almost at 3K subs. When I get to 3K subs, I'm thinking about doing maybe about $100 giveaway. So like, comment, subscribe. If you are not, follow me on Instagram. Follow me at Shaquana_. Also my business page at the Galore Experience _. I think the Galore Experience _ whatever. I'll put all that in the description box. I'll be doing a voiceover as well, so I'll give all my sizes and my opinions about everything. So, like I said before, if you want to see where I got this from, continue to watch the video, and we're gonna get right into it. Oh, boom! Your girl is looking good. Like, looking really, really good. And I ain't capping at all. This isn't a size, I think I want to say 2 or 3. It's probably a 2, maybe it's a 3. I don't know. Anything I have on in this video will be a 2X, 3X. I am absolutely in love with this swimsuit. I haven't had a swimsuit like this before, so it's super, super dope to me. I love it. I'm loving the aesthetics. It's giving bad bitch vibes, okay? The background, as y'all can see, I was at the hotel, downtown Detroit. The lights are in the back, 19th floor, period. Look at how that strap broke off like that. Look at that. Look at my face. I was so appalled. Like, I just couldn't believe it. I was just so shooketh. How dare it? Anywho, it didn't break. It's like one of those things that you put through the fabric and snap on. So it snapped back on. But see, them things is heavy. Them girls is real heavy. I love, love, love this cow print bathing suit. I've been real into cow print. If you follow me, you see I had a few nail sets cow print. I've been buying up everything cow print. Like, I'm in love with it. So yeah, that's that. Oh, this is cute. I really, really like this. I tried some of these on before I actually even went to the hotel. I don't think I tried this one on, but this one was super, super cute. You see me looking at myself in the window. I really, really do like it. I like the top. It looked like like I could go out with that on or something. It's giving. I really do like that one. 2 or 3, y'all. I don't know. I thought I kept the paper and I ended up putting my bathing suits away and I threw everything away. So I'm sorry I don't have the actual size, but it is for sure a 2 or 3 because that is my size. So now this one, if I was to rate this one, honestly, I would give this one maybe a 5, and only because I love the color of it and I like the design of the skirt. I like the little scrunchy part. You can pull it up, and like I said, the color is super, super cute in person. It's like a dark reddish orange. I do wish I would have got it in a bigger size, so I know this one is a 2X just by looking at it, just because I don't like the way the bottoms fit. They could have been bigger, but yeah. Okay, so this one was cute. This one is in a 2. I think this is a 2X. Yeah, it looks like a 2X. I wish I could have got a bigger top, but it is what it is. I wouldn't be selling this. I am going to have my Poshmark up and running soon. So if you wear 2 or 3X, girls, hit me up and stay tuned for that coming. I'm going to get that up and running, I swear. But yeah, this one is cute. I will rate this a 5 as well. Ooh, she is... Ooh! That girl is fine. Like, this one is cute. Now I know this one is in a 3X because just by the way the dress fit. Like, I was having a good time. Look at me laughing. My sister in the background. If y'all can't see her, don't worry about her. Yeah, so this is so cute. Love the color of it. It's giving me peaches and cream, Puerto Rico vibes. Yeah, that is so cute. And I never really liked the bikini tops just because I have scars from my hydrogenitis suppurativa. Like, I get boils everywhere I sweat. So yes, you can't really see it in this video, and I'm liking that. This is fire. 10 plus.
That was the last of my swimsuits. You guys rate my swimsuits. I want to know what you think about all of them. Okay, even these. I bought these graphic tees from Shein, as well as the swimsuits. Everything in this video came from Shein. I bought these just because I wanted some graphic tees. Now this is way bigger than I thought it would be. So yeah, I don't know how that happened. That was in a 3X. This one is super cute. I like it for everyday use. I compare with, what do I got? Some Pumas I got. Oh yeah, I just bought me some Royal Toe Jordan 1s. Oh, look at my sister. Some Royal Toe Jordan 1s and some Yeezys. So your girl getting her shoe game together. I ain't really been into tennis shoes before, so I'm trying to get into being like that. Janelle is my stylist. If y'all ain't know, she's the one who made my birthday dress for Vegas, period. I like this one. This graphic tee is super cute. I have an orange purse that will pair nicely with these, and I could even kind of squeeze in my ones if I wanted to. Cute little everyday, or just throw it on, go out somewhere, get a little drink. That's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to rate my swimsuits 1 to 10. Love you guys. Bye.